What's up, fellow Greymanes? Here's how you can get the Frostcursed Plate Cloak in Crimson Desert. If you find the cold too harsh in your adventures, this cloak would definitely help. Despite only giving 3 points in defense, it has level 5 ice resistance. You can find this cloak to the northeast of Hernand, and just north of the letter D of Deminis. Zoom in and you'll find it's on the Sanctum of Expiation just east of Drake's Fall Gorge. To make things easier, you must stand on the northeast side of the Sanctum, right around where I placed my marker. From there, you'll be able to quickly spot this part of the ruins. Just head between these walls and to your left is a doorway blocked by thorny vines. Use blinding light and focus the beam towards the vines to burn them away. Now crouch and make your way inside the drain. Make a right turn and keep moving to avoid any traps. At the end of the path on the right is the chest. Loot it and you'll get the cloak. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Crimson Desert guides. Thanks for tuning in and I'll see you in the next video.